Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today we're taking a look at these Klipsch Quintet surround speakers. I got 4 of these for an amazing deal. The only question is, do we keep them original or do we 3D print a new enclosure? This one was made from a KLH center channel. And here this one was made from Amazon speakers, and it has 8 of them. It also features a ZK1200T Bluetooth stereo amp in the bass. Then we have one of my favorites. This is a 360 upfiring speaker made from a Logitech computer speaker. These all have their own properties and sound profiles. Should we keep these speakers original or should we modify them? First, let's go through what the Klipsch Quintet series actually is. This was originally sold around 10 years ago, and its original price was $500. That did come with 5 speakers, the 4 speakers, and a center channel. This one did not have the center channel with it, but the price was still very good. Now when we look at the condition of these, they're actually pretty nice. The price of this was only $19.99, and it was bought on a 50% off. So I only paid $10 for these 4 speakers. Let me know in the comments, would you have bought these for $10? Before we decide the fate of these, let's give them a sound test using this Fosi Audio 2-channel Bluetooth amp. If I had one knock right off the bat, it's that these speakers use spring terminals. You would think with a name like Klipsch that they would use banana jacks. I did a video earlier about this Fosi Audio. When paired with a large enough power supply, it actually has very good performance. You might be surprised, but these actually have a very full sound profile with very sharp highs and more medium and low than you would expect. So what are my overall thoughts on these speakers? I'm not sure that by 3D printing an enclosure that I would be able to improve the sound of these at all. The drivers are a very good size to be modified in a 3D enclosure. Let me know in the comments, should I modify these or keep them stock? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.